Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is March the 28th. My last update was 11 days ago, which was March the 17th. And I just wanted to come back and give you a little bit of update. And you can see that there is a ton of progress on these plants. So 11 days ago, after I had finished filming, I switched the test marigolds over to a much larger container here. And the funniest thing, and I didn't even realize this, but look at this. Can you see that? Right in here, there are flowers already starting to happen. You can see one right there. Tiny little thing. And then another one over here. I'm actually surprised that this is already starting flowers. That's very interesting. Anyway, so that's the first one here. And then we've got the two other ones. And these are coming along really well. I'm really impressed. Very, very green. And you can see, look at this. Look, there's going to be a nice flower starting here very soon. I wanted to get this filmed before they actually start blooming. So I've got one here. We've got one in here, right there. There's another one in here. So you can see right away the difference between French marigolds and the African marigolds, which are always labeled as crackerjack. And for many long years, I didn't understand the difference. And then I decided to do a lot more research. And then last year, I finally realized that these are French marigolds. And these are the ones that I pick up at Costco every year. I'll get a little flat of these. And this is where all of these seeds came from that I started these plants off with. But anyway, I'm just going to give you a little spin here. Really nice progress on these. So these here are getting artificial light from my grow lamps from 8 o'clock in the morning until 11 at night. I have them on a timer. They're pretty good quality lights. They are long tubes. So all of these, those and this one as well, plus my basil plants are getting quite a bit of sunlight, artificial sunlight every day. So that's it for this video. I did promise you a little journey with my plants, and I think they're coming along really well. So I will keep you updated. Thank you very much for watching. And if this is your first time here and you recognize my voice, yes, I am the owner and host of Bake Like a Pro over on YouTube, which is my main baking channel, food channel. I've got over 900 video recipes there, over 600,000 subscribers. So if you love to bake and just watch videos like that, then come check me out. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Aren't these nice? Very, very nice.